What is up? What is up, everybody? It's your favorite YouTube plumber, ready to teach you how to keep kicking ass on the plumbing. Today, what we've got is a leaking tank to bowl kit. I'm going to show you how to change that. This will also include a full rebuild. We will change the fill valve, the flapper, the supply line. We'll be pulling the tank off, and we will be changing the bowl gasket. So, let's get going. Number one, turn your water off. Turn it off. Off. Flush it. Flush. Step two, make sure you have all your parts. We will be doing Pro 45 fill valve. We will be doing a new 16-inch closet supply steel braided. We will be doing a Pro 56 adjustable flapper. And we will be doing a universal tank to bowl kit fluid master. There's the number if you want it, 6106. Pick them up at your local plumbing supply house or even Home Depot. After you've turned the water off, you're going to disconnect your supply line right there. It's pretty simple. Throw a diaper on the ground, grab it at the toilet. Boom. Okay. Now, since we're going to change that, you can grab the lock nut right there on your fill valve, put a wrench on it, twist it. The old onion feeders just ain't got it. There it is. Oh, yeah. It's reverse threads, by the way. Okay, now, as soon as you pop this out, water gonna come dumping out. Watch it. Agua. I'm sure you're like, why did you do that right on the floor, man? I got a diaper down. Calm down. I've been doing this for years, fellers. Swap out the diaper, watch. Boom. See that? Swapped. They're 13s. This is my halfie. 13s. Because you probably won't have this. But if you do have this, this is where you go, man. This is how you get the job done. However, if you only have a 13 millimeter, use that. Anyways, there are 2 bolts. 1, 2. You have a 13 millimeter nut. Reach your socket up in there, take them off on each side. Once you've disconnected both nuts, you can reach down in there and push them up, out. Just reach down there. Push them out. Once those are free, the tank will come off. See? This is what we're after right here. This was leaking bad. See? I really hope that as you guys watch my videos, you don't try and repair your plumbing with one hand. It's not easy. That on there. Stretch it, seat it all the way around. You'll take 2 bolts here, and you will put a rubber gasket on each one. Just like that. Okay, and then 4 washers, 4 nuts, okay? We're going to take our old bolt and stick it in this. That way. Then I can reach in here and fill that bolt. Then I can stick this bolt. Look at that. Oh man, it's almost like he knew what he was doing. Take a washer and stick it on the old bolt there. Both sides. It's just how it is, fellas. It's just how it is. Cinch this down, cinch this down. I want 2 hands to do this. If you're using a socket, do not reef this down. I use plastic so I don't break the toilet. Look at it. Look at how tight. Look how tight I'm doing it, fellas. Look. Do you see my hand shaking? Do you see me monkeying on this thing? Knock it off with the tightening. Stop doing that. Look. Do it that tight, okay? Okay, now that we've set it there, look, it's there. We haven't done anything with it yet. Alright, slow down. These other two These other two are going to go on the bottom of the toilet. See? A washer and a nut go right there. Okay. Hand tight. Go till the nut touches the toilet. Don't go anymore. Right there. Now go to the other side. Do the same thing. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push down on the tank. I'm going to sit up here. Okay. All I'm trying to tell you to do, see if I can explain this properly. You're going to push on one side of the tank as you're tightening it to help compress the gasket so that you're not using the bolt to put all the stress on the freaking porcelain. If you crack that, you'll be calling me, I promise. Well, probably not. Since it showed you how to change it, you're probably just going to have to, go buy a new one and start all over again. You can fill that tank. Start to squish. Stop. Go to the other side. Stop. Go to the other side. Stop. Go to the other side. Do not reef these down or you will break this thing. All you're doing is going until it doesn't wiggle. Once it stops wiggling, you're done. Well, now that you're probably angry at the camera view I just gave you, remember, fellas, I don't have time to be setting up tripods. I'm doing this on the spot. So, grab yourself a 5/8 wrench or a crescent wrench or whatever you normally use to take off your supply lines. Break that free. Get that thing out of here. Those in the crowd. Ooh, Moses. You know what this black stuff is? It's called money. And that is it. That is how you change the tank to bowl gasket and the bolts. I don't need to show you how to change the fill valve and the flapper because I already have that video on YouTube, and if that's what you're after, feel free to go on to my channel and find that video. It shows you how to change the fill valve, the supply line, and the flapper. But that's it. That's kick-ass. Keep killing it. Peace.